Our team conducted a rigorous thermal shock test on the AlSiC material. First, we heated the material to 200 degrees for 1 minute. Immediately after, we transferred the material to room temperature water, also for 1 minute. This cycle was repeated 20,000 times. Even after such intense testing, the AlSiC material exhibited no signs of solder peeling or deformation. This result showcases the exceptional reliability and durability of AlSiC material under extreme conditions. The exceptional performance of the AlSiC material under extreme conditions further confirms our research and development achievements. Through this test, we are even more confident in promoting this high-performance material across various fields.